How to refund games on Steam. Let's get started. Launch your Steam app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right, you will find your username. You have to click on it. With that, different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of account details. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Under account details, you will find the option of store and purchase history. And over here, you will see this option of view purchase history. You have to click on that option. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find your purchase history. In order to get the refund, the game must be purchased within the last 2 weeks and played less than 2 hours. If you fulfill this criteria, you can head towards the game for which you want to get the refund. Just click on the game. Now over here, you will find the details of your game. Likewise, you will find this question over here. What issue are you having with the purchase? Click on the option of I would like a refund. Go ahead and click on this option. I would like to request a refund. Now over here, you will find the details of the game, the purchase date of the game and the gameplay hours for the game. If you are eligible to get the refund, click on this drop down and select the reason for the refund. Once you select the reason, you can click on this option of submit request. Once you fulfill this process, you will be good to go. You will get the refund. Well, this is how you can refund games on Steam. By applying the same process, you can refund any game on Steam if you meet the criteria. So that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.